In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, AI is poised to revolutionize the insurance industry even further. We're headed towards an era where real-time data analysis becomes the norm. Imagine your car insurance premiums adjusting in real time, based on your driving patterns. The safer you drive, the less you pay. A win-win situation for both parties involved. AI won't just stop at personalized premiums, though. It's projected to streamline claim processing, predict fraud, and even aid in risk assessment. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits immense. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more deeply entwined with our lives, ethical considerations must be taken into account. How do we ensure fairness in automated decisions? How do we protect privacy in an age of pervasive data collection? As AI continues to advance, it will undoubtedly continue to transform the insurance industry. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's quickly recap. We began with a discussion on how artificial intelligence is making waves in the insurance industry, transforming traditional practices and introducing a new era of efficiency and effectiveness. We delved into the mechanics of how AI works in insurance, explaining how it analyzes vast amounts of data to assess risk and subsequently determine personalized rates. This is a game changer, as it allows for pricing that accurately reflects an individual's risk profile, making insurance a more fair and personalized experience. We then looked ahead to the future, envisioning a world where AI continues to drive innovation in the insurance industry. As we move forward, AI's capabilities will only expand, leading to even more personalized and fair insurance rates and policies. It's clear that the future of insurance will be shaped by AI. As consumers, it's crucial that we understand and embrace this technology to ensure a fair and personalized insurance experience.